Ross Auto Sales is pleased to bring you this 2008 Mercedes-Benz ML32, presenting a pre-owned 2016 Ford F150 XLT. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 17,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Life is good at Ross Auto Sales.